Yo, what's up guys? Stole Liam's phone, so I'm opening up the YouTube video. Right now, we're in William's farm, like in the shop. We are getting ready for tomorrow's truck meet and just getting shit ready.
Finally got my phone back. Back on the ground. Let's see what everybody's getting up to.
We're wiring in some new rock lights.
Heck yeah.
Hopefully they're brighter.
This is our supervisor. It's Kaylin's truck. Getting the exhaust change on the.
Oh, that's actually so cool. Actually feels like a couch that I'd see in my grandma's house.
Dude.
It smells so good in there. Imagine this guy riding your tail at night.
Can you imagine getting hit by this thing?
This is my dad's 1978 Kenworth W900A. Oh, they're both open. It has a, be careful of the front there. Come take a peek under the fender. A 3406 A-block fully mechanical cat.
God.
It's sitting on a Peterbilt 389 frame, stretch. Heat tanks. It has a full custom-made interior, vintage air, an Eaton 18. So, 18-speed Eaton, pretty efficient. My dad actually bought this truck out of St. Eustache, which is where kind of my family originated. And he bought this, it was just sitting in a bush for $4,500. And he turned it into a pretty cool truck.
Turn it into this.
Yeah.
God damn. I love the paint though. That's just like the original look.
That is genuine patina.
Yeah.
Lots of people think the patina is just a rustic look. However, the way I understand it, patina was originally green primer.
Really? That's so sick.
Yeah. This is actually the original, all original, everything. Well, not everything, but paint and such.
Yeah.
It will be kind of hard to see, but if you look right in under here.
Okay, let's see if I can see it. Yeah.
There is air ride. I don't know if you can see it. Front and rear. Out on. These seats are out of a 2007 Chevy Silverado.
Holy really? That's awesome. What the
Yeah. It's getting full stereo and it's getting tinted here this week, so.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's sick.
Also, last time we went over the truck, I completely forgot to say the cowl hood. It's not in great shape, has a few little rust spots, but I bought it super cheap, already paint matched, so it just needs to get repaint matched.
Heck yeah.
But yeah. Right now we're on a 22 to 37, I want to go to a 24 with a 35.
Heck yeah. That's gonna look so good. It's like Christmas came early.
Doubling water release. You can stand on the back. Oh, come on, don't be I was born. Wait, I'll pop my trunk, go in the trunk.
Oh yeah. Okay, I'm in.
Keep going.
A little more. That's it. No?
For all the viewers, this isn't mine.
Okay. So is it doable? Yeah. Adding more lights. Never enough lights.
We needed more.
Way more. Getting the before and after sounds. Okay, ready?
This is stupid.
Okay, wait. Tell me if it's cracked. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Oh no! Wait.
No, there's literally nothing wrong.
Bro, what? How? The pump, yo. Holy
Am I big right now?
yo. Wearing coveralls, you're getting dirty.
It looks like a hairball.
Yeah, but that is the best hand cleaner you will ever use. It's got sawdust and shit. Ooh, yeah.
Big scoop of it.
Oh, it feels so weird, but just rub it.
Trust me.
Just like scrub, like violently scrub. Everything, like in the grooves, in the
Get under your nails.
in the gosh darn fingernails. Okay. 2013 Claws 760 TT. 2019 Bobcat. Holy Bobcat T750. What the fuck is this? Nincompoop doing? Oh. He's waiting for air to build up so pork can hunky horn. Truck in the background. Keep calling with his bean ass head. Worse than my bean ass head. Pork wants to hunk horn. Oh. Not going to work. Yeah! Yeah! Woo! Hell yeah, brother!
Caleb, what are you doing?
It's got spots on there, see? Look at that. He's got
Okay. All right.
Look
All
at
right.
it. Oh my God. Parker.
Whoa!
That just pulled hair out.
New rock plates. New strip plates.
Knew everything.
Pretty much.
Oh.
This truck has genuinely come such a long way, bro.
It has, and
Like-
it's amazing. It's so awesome to see.
Dude, like, I'll find a picture from a year ago.
Yeah, let's see it.
1 year ago, bro.
Okay, wait.
Sorry.
1 year. That's insane. 1 year.
Look at these freaking mud flaps. Like, the coolest fucking thing I put on this truck, I think.
Yeah, how many tickets did you get?
8. It was ridiculous. Absolutely ridiculous.
Just can't win them all.
You know, can't win them all. What can you do?
Honestly. So it is the next day. Got William's truck. at the car wash. We're probably about 5 minutes away from Sobeys. That's where the truck meet's happening. Washing the truck. Washing the truck. Kalen's also bringing his Ford. It's a 5.0. Same with this baby. Tian, he's also gonna have his Ford there as well. And honestly, see what kind of rigs pull up to this Winnipeg truck meet. First truck meet of the season, so we'll see how it goes. Good.
God damn it.
You're good.
In my way.
You're good. You're in my way.
Oh, I know the way.
You know the way. Why are you filming me? You're filming me. Quit it.
Why are you filming me, bro?
But stop. This guy's filming me. No, not this guy. Not this guy now, bro. No, not bro. This guy, bro. Oh.
Parking lot in Birdsville.
How about fucking... Okay, then we're
Okay,
good.
yeah, whatever. Because we have it in Google Maps too, so.
Howard, I thought someone were leaving there.
Yeah.
So I put it in.
Yeah, everybody's following us. So. Yo, what in the world?
Get him to come to Birds Hill. We all just start gaming out. Birds Hill. See what?
Hell yeah, brother.
See what we all get up to. Right.
Somebody's gonna crash in here, dude. The lineup is unreal.
You guys took off? I could hear it. The weld
It's
track
so
back, 'cause I
sick.
pinned it going over that overpass on the. Oh, you got oh fuck! Just pass me my wallet. How much was it all? It was like, I don't know. I put Brady's drink on it too.
Yeah, that's I'll pay him.
That's perfect. Thank you. Here. Drank me outside and we started fighting.
Bro, is that Aiden?
Yeah, it's
My
Aiden.
dad's shit.
Dude.
He's got the beacon on. Aiden is in four-wheel drive. That is terrifying.
You ain't going crazy? No?
Yeah. Burn out right in front of him!
Charlie's doing it.
Fuck yeah, brother. I love that.
Oh my god.
That 10th gen's fucking huge.
I'm
It's on like
to
40s.
Yeah. There's no way he clears low.
Oh my god.
He's doing cyclones. Holy
And he pulls out of it like nothing.
brand new fucking
Bro, and there's still more pulling in.
truck.
There's like gens are not good for that.
No. Don't keep up. The one with like the super.
Honestly, that's gonna be a wrap on today's video. I appreciate everyone that stayed till the end and watched the whole video. If you guys enjoyed, please stay tuned for the next video. Got lots more to come.